Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Sonic P135 YouTube channel. See you later! Hello, Sonic P135 here, what the heck you wanna call me, and today we got yet another unboxing video for you guys, and today it's going to be on the LEGO Sonic the Hedgehog Sonic Speed Sphere Challenge. So yeah, and as usual, before we look at the box, before we look at the stuff itself, let's look at the box. Sorry, tongue twist. You can see the spear, a blue hand, get it, because it's Sonic, a pretty cool backwards, like somewhat backwards Sonic Generations render of Sonic right there. On this side we got Sonic and his Sonic and Sega All-Stars Racing render right there. More Lego and Sonic the Hedgehog logo. We got the Lego figures, Sonic with a chili dog, and the whole playset itself, and its Motobug. On this side is mostly just legal info with the Lego and Sonic the Hedgehog logos. On the bottom, just same with this side. On the top, you can see what the Lego Sonic figure looks like. Got Sonic and Motobug. The name of this set in multiple languages. Back to the front, let's open it up. And here's the Lego set complete. And I'm just gonna say this right now. Every time I do a Lego video, I'm always going to do just only the first bag and then take pictures of the other bags. Is that okay with everyone? So, yeah. In this little thing, we got a little item box, and a flower. Got, like, a certain, like Sandy playset thing with a chili dog. The chair kind of reminds me of the chairs that you see in Sonic Adventure. Here's Sonic's DJ area with some, well, crap, that was embarrassing. Little turning things, like record discs. And yeah, there's Speedball, has a spring on it, and yeah. Taking a close look at the Sonic itself, it looks really good. It has like the same articulation as the other Lego figures, so I'm not gonna go over it. So yeah, comparing this to the old school, well, not old school, but Lego Idea Classic Sonic, they're pretty much the same, except this is modern Sonic, this is classic Sonic, and also their stomachs are a tad different. But at the end of the day, they're practically the same figure. Now to compare this guy to the Lego Dimensions Sonic, which I've gotten around time my birthday of 2017, well, a little month afterwards. So yeah, they look kind of similar, except this Sonic doesn't really have details on the side of his shoes, but this one does. Yeah, I had this Sonic since 2017, guys, so yeah. So he's kind of like a little, kind of like that. But comparing all three Sonics, yeah, we have come a long way since the days of Lego Dimensions, haven't we, guys? So yeah, I kind of like the Lego Dimensions ones more because his eyes look a little bit more game accurate. His eyes look more game accurate. But I do like this one because they actually have detail on the side of his shoes, though. And if you guys are wondering what this thing is, I actually made this out of like almost all the spare parts from the first bag. So yeah, it's a little Sonic arm cannon, which is nice. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one. So bye. One more thing I want to point out is that every time you turn a page, there's Sonic moves, like a little stop motion, and that was also on the Lego Ideas one, so wonder if they continue that in the future. Anyway guys, bye!
How it's supposed to feel.